Mastering ISO 3834. ISO 3834 ignites operational excellence by fusing quality, consistency, and reliability in welding. When an organization strives to achieve operational excellence, what is the fundamental purpose of ISO 3834, a standard that provides guidelines for quality requirements in fusion welding, and how does it contribute to the overall pursuit of operational excellence by ensuring consistency, reliability, and effectiveness in welding operations? The fundamental purpose of ISO 3834 is to provide a framework for ensuring the quality of fusion welding operations within an organization. This standard is designed to help organizations achieve operational excellence by establishing a consistent and reliable approach to welding quality, which is critical to the overall performance of the organization. ISO 3834 sets out the quality requirements for fusion welding, including the management of welding operations, personnel, equipment, and quality control. The standard addresses the entire welding process, from design and planning to production and inspection, and provides guidelines for ensuring that welding operations are consistent, reliable, and effective. By adopting ISO 3834, organizations can ensure that their welding operations are carried out in a controlled and predictable manner, which is essential for achieving operational excellence. The standard helps organizations to identify and mitigate risks associated with welding, such as defects, rework, and safety hazards, and to implement corrective actions to prevent their occurrence. One of the key benefits of ISO 3834 is that it provides a consistent approach to welding quality, which is critical for organizations that operate in multiple locations or have multiple suppliers. By establishing a common set of quality requirements, organizations can ensure that their welding operations are standardized across all locations, which helps to eliminate variability and ensure consistency in the quality of the welds. ISO 3834 also contributes to operational excellence by providing a framework for continuous improvement. The standard encourages organizations to establish a culture of continuous improvement, where welding operations are regularly monitored and evaluated, and improvements are identified and implemented. This helps organizations to stay ahead of the competition by continuously improving their welding operations and reducing costs. In addition, ISO 3834 helps organizations to improve their reputation and build trust with their customers. By demonstrating a commitment to quality and consistency in their welding operations, organizations can build confidence with their customers and stakeholders, which can lead to increased business opportunities and revenue growth. Furthermore, ISO 3834 helps organizations to reduce costs and improve efficiency. By implementing a standardized approach to welding quality, organizations can reduce waste, minimize rework, and improve productivity. The standard also helps organizations to identify and eliminate unnecessary processes, which can lead to significant cost savings. ISO 3834 also provides a framework for ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. The standard helps organizations to ensure that their welding operations meet the requirements of relevant regulations, such as those related to safety, environmental impact, and product quality. In terms of ensuring consistency, reliability, and effectiveness in welding operations, ISO 3834 provides a range of guidelines and requirements. For example, the standard requires organizations to establish a quality management system that covers all aspects of welding operations, including design, planning, production, and inspection. The standard also requires organizations to establish procedures for the qualification and certification of welding personnel, as well as for the calibration and maintenance of welding equipment. In addition, ISO 3834 provides guidelines for the control of welding processes, including the control of welding parameters, such as heat input, shielding gas, and welding speed. The standard also requires organizations to establish a system for the identification and control of welding consumables, as well as for the control of welding equipment and machinery. Overall, the fundamental purpose of ISO 3834 is to provide a framework for ensuring the quality of fusion welding operations, which is critical to achieving operational excellence. By adopting ISO 3834, organizations can ensure that their welding operations are consistent, reliable, and effective, which can lead to improved productivity, reduced costs, and increased customer satisfaction.